Welcome to the new Helmut world. The RBB is taking a look at the networked editing environment with Adobe Premiere and wants to understand how workflows have changed with Helmut. What steps are necessary for journalists and editors when working only with Premiere, where all basic settings have to be configured manually and time-consumingly? We begin here with assigning a project title and storage location, creating work folders and template sequences, audio routing settings vary when producing for television. In this case, the audio routing must be adjusted for multi-channel sound with 8 separate tracks. User-specific keyboard settings also need to be applied. Workspaces must be configured. Storing audio and video assets falls under the responsibility of the operator. Depending on where the assets are stored, the project is only locally accessible. Graphics, templates, and graphic elements must be manually imported into the project. Proxies of original footage can be created during import or at a later stage. After editing is complete, you can choose from countless export presets. Please note that for linear broadcast, we prefer an
MXFOP 1A ARVC Intra with 50 frames interlace.
Audio limiter on the first stereo pair, according to EBU R128, is essential for technically correct broadcast audio. The image level limiter 103 in the SMB range with 3% compression ensures legal image level values. Too technical, too complex. And this is where the magic of Helmut by
Move It
comes into play. All the individual steps mentioned above become obsolete and you can fully concentrate on your editing. The manual extra work only needs to be defined once, together with the editorial team. Once the user logs into Helmut, the magic happens in the background. Now create a project and assign a title and template. Your project opens and comes to life with all necessary structures, graphics, elements, and template sequences. You don't have to worry about storage locations, proxy creation, or export presets. Helmut can handle all of this automatically. It detects the material and knows how and where it should be stored. On top of that, Helmut is networked within our environment. This means that all projects can be opened from anywhere. Once editing is complete, the content can be exported using predefined presets. This ensures consistent export workflows toward broadcast servers or CMS through predefined interfaces. Correct export is therefore always guaranteed. All workflows and system settings can be adjusted in real time during live operation. Maximum efficiency with a one-time setup.